Hello, my dear students. In this video, we'll understand the concept of least common multiple. The least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of all the given numbers. For example, the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, the LCM of 2, 4 and 7 is 28, and the LCM of 5 and 11 is 55. So we'll look at two methods to find LCM. First one is a prime factorization method. Find the prime factorization of a given number individually. Write the numbers as a product of the primes in exponent form. The product of these factors with the highest power is the LCM of the given numbers. The second method is the division method. Start by writing all the numbers for which you want to find the LCM in a single row. Find the smallest prime number that can divide at least one of the numbers and divide all the numbers by this prime number. Write down the result below, keeping the non-divisible numbers unchanged, and repeat the process with the next smallest prime number. Keep dividing until all the numbers become 1. We multiply all the prime numbers by which we have divided. This product is the least common multiple of all the given numbers. So we'll find out the LCM of 24, 36, 60 and 132 by prime factorization method first. So 24 is 2 cube into 3, 36 is 2 square into 3 square, 60 is 2 square into 3 into 5 and 132 is 2 square into 3 into 11. Now let us figure out the highest power of these factors. So the highest power of 2 is 2 cube, that of 3 is 3 square, that of 5 is 5 to the power of 1 and that of 11 is 11 to the power of 1. So the LCM of 24, 36, 60 and 132 is 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 1 into 11 to the power of 1, which is 3960. Now we'll do the same sum by division method. So divide by 2, which is the smallest prime number, as one or more number is divisible by 2. If the number is not divisible, carry it down in the row below. As no number is divisible by 2, try dividing by 3, the next smallest prime number, and repeat the above process. So we see now the process will repeat with 5 and then with 11. We stop when the last row of the result is all 1. So the LCM of 24, 36, 60 and 132 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11, which is 3960. So we get the same answer from both the methods. So try to find out the LCM of these two sums, first by the division method, second by the prime factorization method. There's an error that shouldn't be HCF, it should be LCM. So if you like this brain-friendly presentation and like more such content in the future, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.